Introduction. The grocer delivers the monthly provisions and hands over a bill of 248 rupees to Saina's mother. Saina's mother totals the bill quickly and pays 300 rupees to the grocer. The grocer returns 52 rupees immediately. Saina wonders how adults add and subtract large numbers so fast. In this lesson, you will add to learn and subtract 2 and 3-digit numbers. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to add 2 and 3-digit numbers by regrouping and carrying over, subtract 2 and 3-digit numbers by regrouping and borrowing, subtraction of 1-digit numbers. Let us move on to subtraction. We begin with subtraction of 1-digit numbers. Rajat is hungry. His mother gives him 4 chapatis. He eats 3. How many chapatis are left? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 chapati is left. Priya's mother bought her 12 mathematics notebooks. She has used up 7. How many notebooks are left? 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 5 notebooks are left. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. We can add 2 and 3-digit numbers by regrouping and carrying over.